YouTube, it's your homegirl Lena Mar, and as you guys can tell from this title, I'm going to be creating this fortune teller Halloween inspired makeup look, and it's very kindly sponsored by Boots. And so let's just get started. So I've already done my base and concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and use this palette by Makeup Obsession. It's called If You've Got It, Haunt It. Pretty cool name. And I'm just taking that purple shade, but it comes out quite pink, as you guys can see. Then I'm going in with this bluey purpley tone, and I'm just adding that to the outer corners and smudging that in. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the purple from the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and I'm just placing that on the outer corners just to darken it up a little bit. Then taking the NYX pigment in the shade Egotastic, I'm just adding that to the inner corners and blending and smudging that in. Going back in to that bluey purpley shade, I'm just taking that from my from my lash line down to my cheeks, and then smudging out the lower lash line as well. Using this NYX glitter primer, I'm just placing that on top, and then taking the NYX Glitter Brilliance glitters in the shade Bronze. I'm just placing that underneath. And on top of the lids, I'm going in with NYX Foil Play in the shade, I'm not sure what this is. I don't know what the shade is, but I'll leave it in the description for you. And going back into that palette, I'm just using the black to do my wing liner and also my brows. And then taking this Rimmel Natural Bronzer all over. I used to use this bronzer back when I was 16, and I still really like it. And this lipstick, it's by Sleek. It's in the shade Exaggerate, and I'm taking that same bronze shade just in the middle of my lips. And that's it. That's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a like, to subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.